Hi, I'm Natalie with Fix.com, and today I'm going to see how easy it is to inspect and access a carburetor on a lawnmower. I want to make sure that I'm being safe, and I have my gloves and my safety glasses on. So let's see if we can figure out where to access the carburetor at. I'm thinking it's somewhere. I'm wondering if I need to actually take that off. We'll just see what happens here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, always a good rhyme. My dad taught me that one. Might need a bit of a little wrench or something. I don't see how any of these fit. I don't think this is going well. Okay, that fits. Lord Lanta. Whoop, all right, there we go. Okay. I just tightened it. I went the wrong way. Dad, I've let you down already. I forgot the rhyme. Come on. There. Well, one down. So, you know. Oh, okay. Always probably good to have a little dish for those too, so you don't lose those. Be hard to put it back together. That is a tight little. All right. I tried to keep the gloves on. We're just gonna have to get in here. Woo! We did it! I feel pretty accomplished already. Well, boys, that's a carb there. That's her. Just trying to regroup here and where to go next. See a lot of these little socket things in there, and not a big fan of those. We're gonna try to remove this gas line and not have it spill everywhere. All right, let's see if we can move this. Oh, oh no, oh no, I didn't. All right, so we have a little fuel spill. If it's flowing out the other side, I gotta go in here. Oh, that little guy came off the front. We don't wanna lose him. A little bit of a yank, there we go. And we got a little coming out, not clamped tight enough, that's okay. There we go. We need to get her out. And I don't see any way around these socket things. Ah, all right. Okay, so. Wait, is that my thing? Where's my thing? Did I lose my thing? I lost my thing, didn't I? Oh, this is just awful. All of these look the same to me. I should be putting them back in their proper spots, but I'm not. Oh, boys, I think we might have a match. And these ones look a lot snugger on. Okay, there we go. We just had to get that moving. These look like they haven't been touched in a little time. Okay, whoo! Okay, well this was a lot, once you get this, a lot easier than that other thing. Okay. Oh my goodness! Little thing here that holds it up, and I want to make sure I don't do anything with that. All right, we have it exposed and we have it out. Here is a little fuel. We can give it a little bit of a clean. You see lots of lovely, debris and grass and little pieces of dirt. So we can clean that off. And then we can also use a carb cleaner. And look at that. Look, she just shines. And then you can put it back in. So as a beginner, if I had to rate that, I think the actual repair, having not known much about it, was actually pretty easy. It was mostly just dealing with some screws to get in there. And the toughest part was pulling things apart just from the gunk and grime that's in there. I would rate this socket set as very difficult though, and I do need to learn a little bit more about that. So if you want to make your repairs even easier, visit Fix.com and check out all our videos, tutorials, and repair guides. Thanks so much for watching.